The promises that you make must be kept. How long can you keep fooling the people of notice? We will not tolerate. Don't think that our patience is our weakness. Our communities have survived this long. We will survive, we will carry the fight forward in peaceful and just manner. So with this, long live Tripura community, long live Bopugra, long live, because he's not only your king, he's also my king. When he fights for all of us, he's our king. Jai Hind. Thank you so much, Mano Konsa. Jatana Haina Hai Taiwe se yapa Khorang anything. Right like a Hambai. Now with great pleasure, I would like to call upon Sri Asish Singha sir, the esteemed son of the former Chief Ministers of Tripura, to kindly come forward and address this gathering. Kulungka, Bubadra, Padut Kishat Debaba, and our friend from Nagaland. I am grateful with the people, are really grateful for the valuable speeches he has given to us. And Sangmaji, we have left, I think, and Maharani Kirti Singh ji, and all the friends of mine. I want to say a few words that we are having a great relation with the Maharaja family. My grandfather was the CM, and Maharaja also, he also extended his hand, so he was the CM. But the section of the tribal peoples, our indigenous peoples, they were happy. But the peoples, those who are in majority, they are not happy. They planned something different. What they done? जब सचिन बाबू मुख्यमंत्री थे, इन्होंने साजिश किया कि उनको पता था कि सचिन बाबू एक सर्टेन स्टेज के बाद he will leave and Pradu's father, he will be the CM. And this is an untold story for you, I am telling you. तो इनको साजिश करके सन 71 में हटा दिया गया by the majority peoples. Okay. और आप जो आज ये देख रहे हो ना, ये जो हमारे वुमेन्स कॉलेज, ये कॉलेज किनका देन है? महारानी कंचन प्रभा देवी. She has given this house to सचिंद्रलाल सिंह. उन्होंने फिर ये घर किनको दिया? दे दिया, वुमेन्स कॉलेज बना दिया. तो देन किसका हुआ है? महारानी कंचन प्रभा देवी. तो ये जो बॉन्डिंग हमारे बीच है, जैसे मैंने सुना कि 9 तारीख को यहाँ प्रोग्राम है, बस तुरंत कलकत्ता से आ गए हैं. आप अगर हैरान हो जाओगे कि वाई फ्रॉम कोलकाता, नॉट फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा. द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, आई नो दैट, क्योंकि हम लोग को हटा दिया गया. क्योंकि सन 14 में आई रेज्ड अ वॉइस फ्रॉम अम्बासा दैट आई वांट चीफ मिनिस्टर हु शुड बी इंडिजिनियस, not by the refugees. I don't want refugee chief minister. तो वो मैंने पाप कर गुनाह कर लिया था, इसीलिए मेरे को हटा दिया गया. कहां से? त्रिपुरा में हम लोग का कुछ काम नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं, nothing. We are ousted from there. So I started a small business in Kolkata, पेट पालने के लिए. और हमारे जो बॉन्डिंग है ब्रजू जी के साथ, ये हमारे मध्य दम तक रहेगा. और आप लोग के साथ मैं हूं, कितना भी लड़ाई हो, कठिनाई हो, we will be there of the Tripura Sahib. Okay? And Jai Tripura, Jai Hind.